The wait is over. McDonald's is finally open.
McDonald's has officially opened its doors in Siliguri, and I just had to go there and check out for myself. So they have this self-service counter from where you can place your order and you can pay via card or UPI. We got the McCrispy chicken and the Grand Chicken Burger. So Lyle loved his McCrispy chicken.
I love McDonald's. Bun they use brioche bun, so obviously the quality is top notch. None of the other places like KFC and Burger King, their buns are quite dry, which I do not like. Chicken, I got the Grand Chicken Burger. So this one has the same fillet like the McCrispy chicken, only there's an extra slice of cheese, and like the salad they have red cabbage and jalapeno, sort of pickles. And also the patty has this chicken 65 kind of taste. It has the South Indian spices or taste a bit of curry leaf in it. Overall, I'm super happy that McDonald's is finally here in Siliguri. A lot of us were waiting so patiently because KFC, Domino's, Pizza Hut, we have it all, but we did not have McDonald's. Let's enjoy this.